friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to celebrate all things fall. This week we are going to be planning for the last week in August. It's like August 30th through September. So I'm going to use that in my LiQWYD Design and Cricut Paper Co planner, and I've decided that I wanted to use the Kawaii kit, and this one is the Rainy Autumn kit, and it's so cute with all the fall critters and the colors. Instead of using the rainy checklist, I was thinking about using the September vertical checklist, so I might switch that out. Look how cute, the little friends at the bottom. I just love the critters. I love them, all of them. I like the Hello Weekend. Look how cute the hedgehog. And then this is the bottom washi. I'll decide which color. So I really picked it just for the color scheme and the cute critters and the fall feel. And then this is parts of the September monthly that you can get on the website now. So I was thinking about maybe using different pieces. Like I like the Hello Weekends on this too. And then I've always loved these little washi boxes. So that's it. I hope everybody's doing well. I have to decide what color I want to use. I think I'm going to go with, let's go for super fall and go with this awesome orange. So today is Saturday, and if you watched my video I uploaded today of the weeks, you guys can see that I am totally enthralled and loving the fall season. I know we're not in fall yet, guys. I've even picked out like the books I want to read this season, which I've never really picked out that sort of seasonally appropriate TBR, but I did it this time. I got all excited. You know what I wish? Like, well, I don't know if I wish it, but does anybody seasonally do meals? I guess that's one thing that I've never done, is planned, like, since we live in Florida, it's not a thing for me to be like, oh, it's cold outside, let me make this sort of a meal. But that would kind of keep things less boring and very more interesting if you planned your meals according to, is there 30? Yeah, 31. According to season. Then I guess you'd have all the seasonally appropriate things too, like butternut squash and stuff. Which I don't know how to make butternut squash. So it's been super windy in Florida. I say windy. There's been a really nice breeze. It's kind of a strange breeze amidst the heat, but it's there. And I've been taking it for fall and loving it. Okay, I put the date covers on. I want to grab the headers for the kit. Like looking at this, guys. Let me see something. Would this be cute? I know it's extra. Y'all know I'm extra. I want to see something. I kind of like it. Why not, right guys? Let's try something different. I love to try something different. It might take me a little while because I'm being a little picky about pulling this up here so that it lays under. What are we gonna do about that? Let me see. I'm gonna make this one a little bit shorter so it doesn't completely go off the page. Okay, so that's cute. Kind of like the little clouds there. Tasia does put clouds sometimes on the sheets. I'm trying to see if, yeah, she has some. And then I'm looking at this September kit too to see if there was any additional clouds. What I want to do then is we will alternate them. Looking for the deco. Okay, so I think that I will take these and kind of stick them underneath the clouds. You guys have heard me say how I'm not very good at straight lines. For somebody who said they weren't going to use these clouds, I certainly changed my mind. Okay. So these are the mini checklist. Alright, let's see. I do love the critters at the bottom. And I like the full boxes. Oh, sorry if you guys couldn't see that. Just putting the deco down, and boy, that owl's cute. I put that little owl there. I do love this box. Oh, I love this box. Alright, let me see. Sorry if I was out of frame, guys. Okay, I think I'm like in a zone there. You see? Okay guys, I think that's it. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching this plan with me. Tomorrow I will post a video for my Hobonichi cousin, so I hope you'll join me for that. And if you guys like this video, if you could like it and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.